Hello everyone. Today we will see how to write a composition on the topic of 15th August Independence Day. This composition is perfect for addressing speech on the same topic. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button below, share this video to the maximum and please do subscribe to our channel. Now let's begin the essay. This composition is in English language, but you can check our channel for Hindi and Marathi language, or you can find their links in the description below. 15th August Independence Day is celebrated proudly with enthusiasm and in full spirit of patriotism. On this auspicious day, India achieved independence from British rulers who ruled India for around 200 years. After innumerable hardships and sacrifices by brave leaders and people of our country, standing united against Britishers, India achieved its glorious independence on 15th August 1947. In the struggle for freedom, many great people had to sacrifice their lives and some also spent their lives in jail. Father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, followed the movement initially begun by his guru Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Leaders like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel, Chandrasekhar Azad, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose lit the torch of independence. Some great leaders like Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, Lala Lajpat Rai, Babu Genu, and many gems sacrificed their lives and became immortals. India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, unfurled a national flag tricolour at the Red Fort on this day. Every year on 15th August, the Prime Minister of India addresses the nation by hosting the tricolour at the Red Fort. Various entertainment programs are organized all over the country. From schools and offices to residential societies, the national flag is hoisted in all different parts of the country with great pride and honor. Often in school, the chief guest addresses students paying homage to our national flag. After the flag hoisting ceremony, a variety of sports and art competitions like dancing and singing are arranged to boost youth and celebrate our national festival. Every year, our National Festival Day of Independence is celebrated with great respect and happiness. A big thank you for watching the video and wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Do not forget to like and share this video to the maximum and please subscribe to our channel Multimedium. If you have any suggestions or you would like us to write an essay on any of the topic, you can mention it in the comment section and we will get back to you. We will meet you soon with our next topic, that is Ganpati festival.